Hey, what's poppin', everybody? It's your girl Ari coming right back at you with another video. So if you wanna see how I got this, keep watching. Alright, so basically it's actually pretty early in the morning and I am in a rush to get to a client for a hair appointment. So I'm going to tell you right now, I'm not going to actually be able to glue down this hair, which I still find kind of amazing because I'm about to show you how amazing this lace front is, where like you don't even have to glue it down and it looks like flush to your skin. But first, you gotta like this video, comment down below, share it, and subscribe, and join the gang so we can hang. Hey, y'all heard that? I like that. I think I'm gonna use that from now on. Maybe if I remember, I'll use it again. Anyway, so the wig that I have today, I made it last night / this morning and I made it out of 3 bundles, 20-inch, 22, 22, and then an 18-inch frontal, which I did bleach. I bleached the knots, but keep in mind I haven't done anything to this frontal. I have not plucked it. I have not done anything to it except bleach the knots. That's the only thing I've done. Excuse my gangster braids, you know, we looking a little gangster today, but it's all cool. Let's just put this on. I did not tint it. Look at that. Are you looking? Now do keep in mind, I did not make this wig from my head size. Like, this wig was made on a 22 mannequin head block, which I can't show you right now because it's holding up my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. But that's why it's big for me. I'm a 21-inch head and this is a 22, so that's why all this pucker is going on. If it was like my actual head size, it would be like fitting me like this. And guys, look, I haven't tinted it. Look at this. Okay, that's way too forehead. It's way too much on my forehead. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys how I usually tint my lace. Not that this really needs that much tinting, but I'm still going to tint it because I feel like it's just safer. I stick with my handy dandy LA Girl powders. Usually I mix these two for clients just to get like the right skin tone. I kind of just stick with this one because it's like my powder, so it works. But you could actually, sometimes depending on the lace I get, sometimes the color is so ridiculous and hideous, like it's no human being is that shade. So I would usually mix these two to like get the right combination. But in this case, because this lace is so pretty already, I'm just going to use this one, or you can use just this one, whichever matches your skin tone. Maybe there's another shade, I don't know. Dabble in there and you apply to the wig comme ça. I used to cut my lace straight, like I just used to cut it straight across like a lot of people do, and it wasn't terrible. But when I found this, when I discovered this way to do it, when you cut the lace in a jagged way, almost in a zigzag, but not a perfect zigzag, it's just, I don't know if you can see it, but it's not perfect. It's like I cut like this up and down, and it makes like a little scissor kind of action thing going on, and that's like, that took my frontals to another level. This is it, tinted slightly, and as you can see, it's actually already better. Well, I hope you can see. That's what a little powder did. So I'm guessing the moral of this video is, if you're looking for a frontal that you don't have to do anything to, I didn't make any of these baby hairs. These baby hairs came with it. Get this frontal. Get this hair. It's like, the hair is super soft. And I didn't get a lot of shedding with it as I did with others, but to be honest, I haven't worn it that long. So anyway, this hair quality is top notch. It's soft. It's, so far I haven't experienced a lot of tangling so far. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for pics, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let me know what videos you want to see next, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
Many months later.
So this is literally a few months later, I am not joking, and I just needed to come back and show you guys exactly how their hair looks when it is fully applied. I didn't show you how I did it here, but don't worry, I have a video that I will leave in the description box that will show you exactly how I did it, so don't worry about that. And as you can see, a few months later, I actually have changed my makeup routine. So I know I don't usually do makeup videos, but if you're interested in seeing how I did my makeup, let me know in the comments down below and I'll for sure come through with a little tutorial or something. So yeah, that was my little announcement, but I'm gonna shut up now because I'm actually about to talk. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, make sure that you thumbs it up. Make sure you comment down below, you share it with someone who may need it, and you subscribe. I'm in a rush, I have to leave. Anyway, I love you guys and I'll catch y'all later. Peace.